Hi and welcome to another Making Mondays tutorial. This is the one mask that I was reluctant to make. Damn, this is such an ugly mask. Well, I decided to make it because I wanted to improve on the shape the medical grade one has. The original mask is what I think is very ugly. It sticks out too far, but you know, some people love it. Also, I wanted to show there are many forms of duckbill masks out there that don't always look like this one. That's why I call this the horizontal duckbill mask. Just search the Shan duckbill mask and you can see it is not shaped like this. Let's begin. The main fabric. The grain line is running in this direction. Fold the fabric in half with the right side on the inside. Lining fabric. Place the grain line in the same direction as the main fabric. Fold it in half with the right side on the inside. This is the filter lining layer. Treat it the same as the other fabrics. We are cutting 4 of each fabric, so folding it up like this and stacking it will cut out some work. Match up at the fold, pin in place and cut out. You should end up with fabric pieces like this. Prepare the nosebar slot by folding the ends in and ironing it in place. On the main fabric, check the print. If the fabric is similar to mine and has a direction, you might want to decide which orientation you want to use. Place the right side touching the right sides together and sew this edge up. Remember to backstitch at the beginning and end of your sewing. This should be second nature and I won't be reminding you. Repeat on the other 2 pairs of pattern pieces. Snip these corners on all of the patterns as well as the curved edges. Turn one lining the right side out. Put the wrong side out one inside this one. By doing this, it will ensure at least one side of the lining will be the right way out when bagged. Put the lining into the main fabric mask. Match up the side seams. Fold the seams in different directions to eliminate bulk. Pin all around and sew. Leave these two ends untouched and leave a 2-inch gap on one side to bag out later. Snip along the curved edges to help it lie flat when turned the right side out. Open the gap and turn the side that is between the main fabric and the lining fabric. Use a pin or a sharp object to ease out the edges and corners. Cut 4 pieces of elastic. Prepare the elastic about 2.5 cm, that's about 1 inch long. Seal the edges with a flame to stop it from fraying. Use this method if you don't want to use 4 pieces of elastic to make the channel. You can make a channel by folding and sewing it in place, but the edges will fray if you do this. I like to do it this way, tuck it in at the ends by about 5mm to 1 cm, that's about 0.2 inches to 0.4 inches. Fold 2 elastics and slot them in. Place them close to the edges. Top stitch around to secure the elastic and to sew up the gap. This will also help with the shape of the mask. Move the needle if you need to. Time to attach the nose bar slot. Flip the mask inside out and fold in half. Fold the nose bar slot in half to help you mark in the position. Use the pins like this to mark in the points. You can always use a pencil to do this in case you lose your position. Attach the nose bar slot, and by sewing around the edges, leaving one end open. Remember to leave the needle in the down position before pivoting. Trim off any loose threads. Remember to like, share, subscribe or follow for more from me at Shani Makes. Find me on Facebook, Instagram or visit my website at shanimakes.com. Thanks for watching, see you next time.